All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. First couple builds going here. I've got the Trek here, waiting just for some vinyl parts. We're gonna finish that one up. Also gonna be working on this guy in GT Outpost, pretty nice bike. Gonna probably try to end up selling this one. I'm gonna take the components off this gigantic 22.5-inch purple Trek and use the components to replace back onto this one. So take the components off the Trek, swap them over to the Outpost, get it ready to sell. Let's go. I got the Trek here halfway in. Take the crank and take all of the stuff and just kind of give it a wash and the bottom bracket. So let's go do that now. All right, we're about halfway in here. Finally got the crank set off after a little bit of headache. Got it off and clean it up. Start cleaning up all these components, get them up looking good. And put it on this blue one here so that we can get it riding. Outpost back up here. We're going to start taking the parts, just kind of cleaning them up. I'm going to start with the bottom bracket. It's in pretty good shape, so I'm just going to throw it in there. I am going to clean the inside of these threads before I put it in there, so let's do that. Let's put these on there. Here is the update on the bikes. Here is the Outpost. Basically got it all mocked up. Found a wheel set for it. Got some good tires. Swapped over all of the stuff. And there's the black Trek. It's got the cruiser bars on it. Just the front brake. There we go.